program is uh, we go with develop a mobile application that uses GPS location information. So we'll go with this program. We are going to develop an application that uses GPS location information. So file, new project. You can use the existing GPS uh, services. Google Map is there. No activity of built in. So go with the empty. Next, GPS program or application, GPS app. Finish. Close the previous. Okay. For this, we need to have uh, the access permission is required to access the GPS. Usually, GPS global positioning system. It is a third-party service. Mobile is yours. Uh, the service provided by the service provider. Now you are required to uh, connect your application to the GPS service. So you need to have the little configuration with respect to the manifest file. You need to have that configuration. The code is the user's permission. User's permission. You need to provide the permission to access the location. Let's go one by one. Now we are going to identify my phone location or the emulator location. So first let us configure the manifest file. Manifest. You require to include uses permission, Android name, access find location, access find location. You require to append this code, access find location. Okay. The next step is design the GUI to display current location and coordinate axis of the location. Coordinates axis of the location like current location, longitude and latitude. So to display all these, we need to design around 4 to 5 text views, 4 to 5 text views. So switch on to activity main.xml, split window, set this to linear layout, text view. Here you can specify the text view as current location. Rather than hello world, you can specify current location. Current location. You can even you remove the constraints. uh, Alignment, margin top, margin vertical, gravity you specify, center, center of the text view, fine. Then here orientation is vertical. Here layout gravity, mention it as center. Okay. Then include the id. Have a practice of including id at the beginning. id tv1 text v1. Similarly, you can have, just I'm copy pasting 1 2 3 4 4 different. I'm renaming each of the text view id as text view 1 2 3 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So text view current location tv1. This I'm leaving it as blank to differentiate the separate the content. I'm text content is null. Okay, and the default value I am using is text view 3, text view 3, text view 4, text view 5, text view 5. Now you require to bind these components to longitude and latitude of the location service. Switch to the Java code. Define the location. Define the location manager. Location manager. Calling it as LM. Define the location manager. Get system service context dot location service. Since it is a location manager type, you do typecasting. Location manager, you are accessing the location of the current context, device context. Then the criteria c equal to new criteria. What's the criteria to access that? Permission, deny, and permission allowed, right? String s equal to location manager dot get best provider criteria c. uh, the string is false. Then if string is not equal to null and string is not equal to and uh, and not and not string dot equals null. I hope you understood this syntax. uh, Both you are checking null and the non-text value. If it is the case, if it is the case, location L equal to location manager dot get last known location. Get last known location. Since it is a location, left side class is location, you need to typecast it. Here you can suppress this last known location with the help of the annotation. Suppress lint, missing permission. Missing permission. Okay. Yeah. So permission code is added here. I don't need actually. Suppress lint. Yes. Suppress lint. Okay. Here then location manager dot request location updates of s string and time in milliseconds, 20,000 milliseconds, and minimum distance is 1 meter. Minimum distance is 1 meter. Of what? Which device? This device. Listener is this. Minimum distance is this. Minimum distance is 1 meter. Cast fourth parameter to Android location. Okay. Location. Manage with this. Suppose missing. Okay. The next is suppose if the location is not null. If location location is not equal to null. So first I'll go with this, then we'll have a discussion on this. Uh, on location changed. On location changed. On location change. It is a user defined method. On location changed. Else toast dot make text get application context location can't be location location can't cannot can't be retrieved. Location can't be retrieved, comma. We need to set the toast uh, length long, toast length long dot show dot show. Yeah, what is missing? Toad makes test. Uh, open. Is bracket is missing. Make text. Oh, this here dot show. Else else toast dot make text get application context provider not found, provider not found, comma toast dot length long length long dot show. Fine. Public void on location changed. Public void on location changed. Location argument 0. Location argument 0. This is not 1. This is on change L. You override this method. You are binding now text view TIWV text view TV1 equal to text view find view by ID r.id dot TV1. Then you are setting the text of TV1 dot set text latitude latitude slash n argument 0 dot argument 0 dot get latitude get latitude. Yeah, something is missing here. Argument 1 argument is 0. What is L is not equal to none. Here, create this alternative create method location L. Text on location change when it calls on location change, uh, corresponding longitude and latitude values is going to be updated onto a screen. Then text view TV2 equal to text view find view by ID resource.id.tv resource.id.tv2 TV2. Then TV2 dot set text longitude 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 plus L dot get longitude. In case suppose you make it as instead of private you can make it a public. In case if provider is displayed on provider disabled, if provider is disabled, and provider is disabled, string S1 in case of disability of the S1. Means you can override the those methods if it is disabled and all. Let it be a common. If you want to check the validity of that accessibility, you can some code here. Just it's a empty code. Now let us. That's all about your location access service. So let's see whether it works or not. Say I refresh this one. You observe when I run this code, provider not found is displaying. Provider not found. Now enable the service, location service here. Enable the location from service from your emulator. Go to location service settings. Here location, app access. Provide the access to the app GPS program. Allow only while using the app. You provide the permission to access from the emulator to access the service. Now stop and rerun. Rerun the application. Some crash. App is crashing. Uh, Location permissions. Load location. You can ask every time. No permission. Allow. Yeah, do allow. App is crashing. Sometimes if permission is not allowed, in that case it let me check request location updates. Request request location updates. Permission if is not equal to null. Location manager missing permission. Yeah, it was added. missing permission. Let's see this. Missing permission. Get system service. Location manager. Get system service. Location manager LM. Location manager LM. Get system service. Context dot location service. That is correct. Criteria. New criteria. String. Get best provider. It's not equal to null and not s equals empty string. Then suppress lint missing permission. Location L equal to lm dot get last known location. Dot get last known location. lm request location updates. Yes. And time, distance, and location. Here, just come on. Minimum distance. This. If L not equal to null, on location change. Else, application context location can't be retrieved. Otherwise, it is provider not found. So location is not identifying here. That's why provider not found message is displaying. Text view, find view by ID, location, L dot get latitude and L dot get longitude, and provider disable, uh, on provider enable. One more method. One more method. One more method needs to be added. Public void on provide on provide on provider on provider disabled on provider enabled on provider enabled string to some code here. These are the default code. Then disabled enabled on status change. One more public void on status changed string argument 1 string argument 2 sorry int argument 2 and bundle argument. So these are the default methods needs to be. Let us check this one. Mismatch. check the location is enabled. Location setting GPS. Yeah. GPS program alone. So run the application.